Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS K3605Z. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we will address a common issue with the ASUS K3605Z, a cracked screen. This can occur due to accidental drops or pressure on the device, and if left unrepaired, it may lead to further damage or even render the laptop unusable. It's important to tackle this issue promptly to avoid complications. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement LCD cover. Ensure you also have a clean workspace and some patience, as this process can be delicate. To begin, power off your ASUS K3605Z and disconnect it from any power source. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. Now, locate the cracked screen component. You will notice that it is attached by several screws around the edges. Carefully remove these screws, keeping track of their locations as they may vary in size. After removing the screws, use the suction cup to gently lift the cracked screen away from the laptop. If it feels stuck, double-check for any remaining screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Next, disconnect any cables attached to the screen. These are often delicate, so apply minimal force and be cautious not to damage the connectors. With the old screen removed, take your new LCD cover and align it with the laptop. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are securely attached. Once everything is in place, replace the screws around the edges to secure the new screen. When all screws are tightened, carefully reattach the back panel, ensuring it clicks into place. Power on your laptop to check that the new screen is functioning properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, consider using a protective case for your laptop and always handle it with care. Avoid placing heavy objects on top of it or dropping it, as this can lead to damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.